Hello everyone, myself Vidam was studying in third semester in mechanical engineering at LJ University. I am here to present my project how by Python programming we can verify 4-bar chain mechanism using Grashof'S law. What is a 4-bar chain mechanism? 4-bar chain mechanism is a mechanism which consists of 4 rigid links connected in a quadrilateral with 4 pin joints. 4-bar chain mechanism is also known as quadrige cycle chain. To get a continuous relation motion in a 4-bar chain mechanism, the Grashof's law should be satisfied. What is the Grashof's law? Grashof's law says that the summation of the shortest link and the longest link in a mechanism should be less than or equal to the sum of other two remaining links in a mechanism. There are 3 cases of Grashof's law. The first case, if we fix the shortest link in the mechanism, we will get double crank mechanism. The use of double crank mechanism is coupling rod of locomotive. The second case, if we fix the link which is adjacent to the shortest link, then we'll get crank and rocker mechanism. The example of crank and rocker mechanism is beam engine. And the third and the last case, if we fix the link which is opposite to the shortest link, then we'll get rocker mechanism. The rocker mechanism is very rarely seen in our day-to-day life. Now I will take you to the computer screen in which we will understand the program.
So now we are on the computer screen. The program is written in VS Code. So now we will understand the program. We have taken 4 variables x, y, p, q, and x, y, p, q are given the user input of integer. Now we have make a list L which contains all the elements x, y, p, q. Now we have make another list named as A, which is the empty list. Now we have used minimum command. So from list L, the minimum command will take the minimum value and named is as minimum. Similarly, now we have used the maximum command. So from list L, the maximum command will take the maximum value and name it as maximum. Now we have used the for loop conditions to find the values of another remaining links, which is P and Q. Now we have taken the another variable I to used in for loop. So the for loop is the loop that the for loop conditions will be in a loop form till the conditions does not satisfy. Now the for loop condition says that if I in list L the value of I is not equal to minimum or maximum, then we have used the append command, which is a dot append bracket I. The append command is used to take one value from one variable and give it to the another variable. So in this case, the append is used, the values is taken from variable I and give it to the another two variables, which are A0 and A1, which are the elements of empty list A. Then we have used the print command, the value of link A and the value of link B. Now we have put the conditions of Grashof's law, which says that the values, the summation of shortest and the longest link is less than or equal to the summation of remaining other two links. In this case, the shortest value is minimum, the longest value is maximum, and the another two values are A0 and A1. Now we have used, if this condition satisfies in for loop, then only it will print the command. The mechanism is 4-bar chain according to Grashof's law. And if these conditions satisfy, then only it will give the another conditions for the Grashof's law 3 cases, as we have discussed above. So for the first case of Grashof's law is if the shortest link is fixed, then we will get double crank mechanism. If the longest link, which is adjacent to the shortest link, then we get the crank rocker mechanism. And the third case, if we fix the link which is opposite to the shortest link, then you get rocker mechanism. So for that 3 cases we have used if else program to show the following conditions. We have taken another variable n for the 3 cases. So, and if the for loop condition does not satisfy, then it will directly print that the mechanism is not 4-bar chain and will get rocker mechanism only. So now we will run the program and we will see practically. So we have run the program, the interpreter asks for the values. So we have given the first 800 mm, then we have given 790 mm, then we have given another value which is 450 mm, and the last value which is 680 mm. So the Grashof's law is satisfied, and now the interpreter asks that which value we have to fix. So if we fix the shortest link S, then we'll get the mechanism is double crank. So now similarly we will again same values, we will again run the code. So it will again ask the value, we will write the same values 800 mm, 790 mm, 450 mm and 680 mm. It will again prove the condition, it will fix the L link which is adjacent to the shortest link. Then the mechanism is crank and rocker. Now we will again run the program. So if the conditions are same, 800 mm, 790 mm, 450 mm and 680 mm. And now we will fix the link which is P. The mechanism is rocker. So, and if the condition doesn't satisfy, so we will write the values 800 mm, 450 mm, 490 mm and 620 mm. So the condition does not satisfy for Grashof's law and the mechanism will directly get the rocker only.
This was all about my project, that how we can verify 4-bar chain mechanism using Grashof's law in Python program. Thank you everyone.